man is writing, as you can see. Cavemen invented writing. They used anything they could find to write upon flat surfaces. And here we have a lady writing with a quill and ink. Too much hassle, don't you think? And here we have the revolutionary discovery, a typewriter. With a typewriter, things go so much faster. And here we have the so-called revolutionary laptop computer. People thought that just because it was portable and small, it was better than typewriters and non-portable computers. But here at Antiquities, we believe that typewriters cause so much less hassle. You save the task of choosing a font. You don't have to print. It makes everything so much easier. Life is better with a typewriter. So get yours today at an antique store near you.